Oppo launched its new 5G-enabled smartphone under A series in China called Oppo A6i Plus. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo A6i Plus features a tall 6.75-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1125 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 16 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 or 512 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, and it is further expandable up to 2 TB via microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Oppo A6i Plus sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel monochrome sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 7000 mAh battery with 45-watt SuperBook flash charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with ColorOS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.6 by 78.51 by 8.61 millimeters, and it weighs around 216 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo A6i Plus has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,499 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 1,599 Chinese yuan. And the higher variant with 12GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 1,799 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in glacier white and velvet brown color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from February 6th. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo A6i Plus 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.